channel on YouTube. So welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make or create a cinematic title animation inside of Adobe After Effects. So without any wasting time, let's start with new composition. Shall we? Uh, I'm going to call it a cinematic one, as if the title of this video 1920 1080 frame rate 30 frame rate per second, and duration 10 second long. So hit OK. Cut to the chase. We're gonna add over to textile tool. To activate the textile tool, hit Ctrl T to activate the textile tool and click over here and type in cinematic or whatever you want. Sure you align this to the center. Make sure you do that. Align this to the center and you perfectly align. First of all, you make this layer on the 3D layer. Otherwise, this effect won't be work. So enable single letters. You're gonna do that. Gonna animate the position. Gonna add the property here, opacity. You're gonna add the property here, blur here, tracking. Now first thing first, I'm gonna make this title into Z space bit larger. I'm gonna be setting this text bit closer, like minus 2000. Feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. 2000. So blur maybe 100, maybe 100%. So you're gonna achieve this mark, and you're gonna do animate the offset one. All you have to do is set the keyframe to the offsets and minus 100, minus 100 to 2 seconds or 1 second, whatever you want. 1 second and hit positive 100. So as you can see, the offset is ready, but we not done yet. So all you have to do, go to advanced. In advanced, you're gonna shape a square to ramp up. You're gonna be ease low up to 100, and then if we're gonna play ahead and do so, and also you're gonna turn down the opacity into 0%. So I'm gonna turn down the opacity into 0%. So yeah, and this is cinematic looking title. And go ahead and press N on your keyboard. So whatever you want to stop, and this is all you have to do to make cinematic title animation inside Adobe After Effects. So thanks for watching this. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want more this type of tutorials, please leave a comment. And thank you for watching this. Bye bye. Will disappear.